Hi, Jason GQue, GQue Barbecue. Ice cream sandwiches, chocolate chip cookies, anyone can cook that inside in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it outside on the griddle. If you want to see how we do that, it's coming up right now. Recently, I saw the Wall twins make chocolate chip cookies on the Blackstone. I was blown away. I thought, how can we take chocolate chip cookies and make them better? Well, I am an ice cream freak. So much so that I own my own ice cream company. Today, I'm going to make a chocolate chip cookie on the griddle and an ice cream sandwich. For the cookie dough today, there are countless cookie dough recipes on the internet. I'm going to put one down below in the description. If you don't want to make your cookie dough, just go to the store and pick up some Nestle Toll House. So the settings I'm using on the Blackstone, I've got the far left burner down to low. I got this one off. I've got this one down to low and this one off. Now I'm going to cook them in 2 stages, once over here and then once on the off section so we can get a beautiful golden brown cookie on top and bottom. To ensure the cookies don't stick to the griddle, I'm going to lay down a nice coat of butter. You can tell your griddle is at the right temperature because of the color of the butter. You can see it's got a very light brown color to it. If it were to get dark brown or even black, your griddle is way too hot and the cookies will not cook properly. So I'm going to close the lid so that we can get some heating action going all around on the inside and cook them from the top down and from the bottom up. They're going to cook very quickly from the bottom up. I'm going to use these 2 spatulas to move the cookies around up and down so that we can keep an even cooking on both sides. If we let the cookies just do their thing, there's a good chance they can burn on the bottom. As I mentioned, we're going to cook these like a pancake. This is a very active cook, so I'm going to go ahead and push these down. So these cookies have been cooking for about 2 minutes. It's going to be when the bottom of these cookies turn golden brown, that's when we're going to flip them over. Let's go ahead and flip the first one and see where we're at. Boom, perfect. That's just what I want. That'll work, that'll do. That's way too dark, so this one could have been flipped a little bit sooner. So we got 4 really good cookies we can work with here. So you'll notice they're starting to rise in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and push them down a little bit. This will help keep them cooked evenly so the bottoms don't burn. So these cookies have been cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes. On the back side, I'm going to take a look at them. I have a feeling they're ready to come off. But before I do that, I can't help but noticing how they look like smash burgers. I recently made a smash burger video with garlic butter. It was absolutely delicious. If you want to see that, stay through to the end of the video and I'll put it there for you to watch. These cookies are ready to come off. Make a couple extra. Like I said, it's going to take some time to practice and there's uneven spots on the griddle. Clearly this black one over here we're not going to use, but we've got 4 really good cookies that are going to make 2 excellent ice cream sandwiches. Let's take off this cookie. These cookies are going to feel like they're not cooked yet. They're cooked about 80% of the way through. They will carry over cooked. Right now they're very pliable. As they finish cooking and cool off, they will harden up to get that traditional cookie texture that you're familiar with. All right, our cookies are ready. They've been cooling for about 10-12 minutes. You got golden brown on both sides. This is what you'd expect from a cookie in the oven, and we cooked it on the grill. Can you believe that? I've got 2 ice cream today. So the first one is birthday cake. Birthday cake, we get all of our dairy from here in Longmont, which is just north of Denver. Then we also have Bourbon Butterscotch. I love Bourbon Butterscotch because it has one of my favorite food groups in it, bourbon. When you see me in the ice cream shop, come up and say, Jason, I saw you make that ice cream sandwich on the grill, and I'll treat you to any scoop we have in the shop. In order to keep it nice and firm, I'm going to cut out what I think would be the right amount of ice cream, maybe 2 fingers worth of ice cream. So we'll put that one right on top of there just like that. Look at that. Then we'll do the same with our birthday cake. There's our birthday cake ice cream sandwich. We're going to put some sprinkles on there, chocolate chips on there. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. I got to go after this Bourbon Butterscotch because it has bourbon in the ice cream. It's melting really quickly. Let's give it a shot. That Bourbon Butterscotch ice cream sandwich was absolutely delicious. This birthday cake one is melting down my fingers. So good. I've never had ice cream sandwiches on a griddle before. Check out that smash burger video. Jason GQue, GQue Barbecue, and I'll see you on the next one.